us, kasi okay lang naman na mag-investigate. What we objected to was the inclusion of the LGU. Pag nabasa niyo yung
Okay.
resolution, napaka-obvious na pinolitika. Anong sabi doon? Sabi, the LGU sponsored. We cannot do that. Hindi po kami pwede kasi makokowa kami. DBM does not allow that. We don't have ordinances to support any scholarships or financial assistance to foreigners. Number 1 na po yun. Number 2, sinabi dun sa resolution na this LGU, Tuguegarao, is supportive of it is anti-EDCA, no? We've never actually spoken up about EDCA. Hindi kami nag-antay dyan. We didn't attend any protest against EDCA. And then we even welcomed all the Westerners and the Europeans who wanted to come here in Tuguegarao City. The first was actually the political affairs officer of the U.S. Embassy. Then we had the UK ambassador. We had the EU ambassador. We had the Canadian political affairs officer. We had the Australian political affairs officer. Meaning po, lahat yan nang pumunta dito, we welcome. Kasi Tuguegarao City wants to identify itself as an open city, a friend to all, a foe to none.